Hello everyone. In this demo video, we will be looking at the gainer and loser in the web version. Clicking on three horizontal lines in the analytical section, you will find gainer and loser, or you can also search here gainers losers. Moving towards the tool, gainer and loser is a tool that gives the overall view of the all F&O stock that has been positive or negative in the F&O segment. As you can see in the interval, by default it is on week. It means that the gainer and loser table will be based on the week data. Further, you can also change the interval on the monthly basis to expiry basis, or you can also customize your interval. Then you also have a search function. Here you can also search for a particular stock. Moving ahead, on the right side you have the symbol, price and change in the price. In the symbol you have Nifty and Bank Nifty. You can see the current price of Nifty and Bank Nifty and the change in the price of Nifty and Bank Nifty on a weekly basis, as we are taking the weekly data. Moving towards the table, you can see the stocks has been indicated in the green and in the red boxes. The green boxes indicates the gainer and the red boxes indicate the losers in the F&O segment on a weekly basis. You can also change it to monthly, expiry or custom basis. Let's take the 1 month data. Now we have the monthly data. As you can see, the top gainer is on the starting of the table and the second highest gainer, and then so on. In the same way, you can look for the top loser in the last of the table. Lastly, in the same way, you can select and customize the interval and then can do your analysis on gainer and losers. Thank you.